Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will continue with drawing of this ear. So starting with, let me give the underlayer and erase off some of the shades of this pencil using the kneadable eraser. Here I am using ivory to just give the base layer. I'm continuing forward with nougat, giving a light fur texture to the ear, the sides, as you can see it is a light strokes, small strokes all over. I'm using here burnt umber to darken up a bit, looking into the original photo. Whoever missed the part 1 and part 2 of this drawing, you can check out the description below for the link for the same. And the pencils I'm using here is dark sepia now here to darken up. And these are all Faber Castell Polychromous pencils. And the paper here is Canson Sea Grain of 180 GSM. Continue the process forward, looking into the original photo to check out where actually the dark layers underline. For darkening up, the base layer will be the nougat and then comes the burnt umber. Upon that will be the dark sepia, which will give this effect. This is the burnt umber which I am underlaying again to darken up a bit, and few strokes outside to give a natural look. Let me darken it up using the dark sepia first. Let me erase off some pencil marks and give the underlayer. Let me next take nougat. This will give the exact shade. I hope you are following what I am going forward. If at all you have any comments on this, you can just drop it in the comment box. Let me darken it up a bit using burnt umber. Let me use this dark sepia to highlight some part of the ear. Next, as you can see this darkened part, let me go forward with caput mortuum. This is the caput mortuum through which I am using the light strokes. Upon that is this nugget. Just give a border of the ear using small strokes for leg structure around it. If you have anything specific to be taught or to be made tutorial for the next, just let me know through the comment box. Here I am using caput mortuum again. Building up of the layers gradually will give a depth which looks natural rather than going for with the 1 or 2 layers. Build up this structure gradually. Look into the original photo and just drawing up few lines which can be seen inside this rabbit. This is the burnt ochre through which I am giving some shades. The upper part and down I can go forward with being red or the flesh tone. Let me darken up using caput mortuum. Always make sure to have a sharpened tip of your pencil. That will make your drawing easier. This is nugget I am using here. Next, over here let me darken it up using dark sepia. I think I have messed up. Let me erase off a bit. This is a pencil eraser, coil nose. Let me layer it up until I get the desired shade using nugget and caput mortuum. This is the dark sepia here, giving the outline of the ear. Let me darken this part a bit. Let me use caput mortuum to highlight a part. Here I am not using any pressure, just brushing it off using carpet mortem, one more layer. Darken up the lines using the same carpet mortem. I hope this will look good. Nice nugget here to give some fur texture here. Yes, I hope this is enough for the ears. Next, coming forward down to the body, let me give the base ivory. Erase off some of the pencil mark. Let me erase off that back portion later on. Here using the kneadable eraser, just tapping it off so that it doesn't get highlighted, because we'll be covering that with the fur. Here burnt ochre to give a little orange tone. Dragging of the base layer to little down and give a neck to this using the fur light texture around the neck, leaving off some gap from the body to the face. It is just the strokes which I am doing here, as you can see. Next here, as usual, it is nugget which I am using, and drawing up the crisscross lines to give a natural look to the fur. And to give a connection from the head to the body, continue from the neck downward back part. And here, yes, and here downward part, let me drag it down a bit using the same nugget. Now giving this small fur texture, let me go forward with the upper part here around the neck. Yes, here give some strokes upward. Next, let me use some yellow shade, that is dark cadmium yellow, and give a light tone over here. Next, let me use burnt ochre. Here, and overlapping with this cadmium yellow. Next, here, nugget to brush up a bit of this fur down the neck. And let me do this crisscross to give a fur texture around. Let me extend this fur tone using nougat. Also at this point, let me extend the fur a little backward. This is the burnt umber which I am using to highlight the darkened part. And the nougat here to give a light fur texture on its back. Now let me use dark sepia to darken up a bit, as you can see in the reference photo. Only at this junction, not all over. And with this, let me end up today's tutorial and catch you up with the rest of the body of this bunny rabbit in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any queries, just let me know, drop down in the comment box. Thank you.